Welcome to another episode of the Luxury Home Show. I'm Madhvani of NW3 Interiors. I live here in Belsize Park in a home situated over 2 floors. Let's start the tour in the living room. Welcome to the living room. This space has super tall ceilings, which is how they made them back in the Victorian era. We kept the original detail as best we could by spending lots of time on decorators. 200 hours of prep work to be exact. The flooring I chose from, I went to Selfridges, and in the Brasserie restaurant, it had this beautiful mosaic on the floor. It's called Mansion Weave. We added a few modern features, such as electronic blinds, which makes it really easy to pull them all down at once, because we work in here as well as enjoy the space as a lounge. One solution that we found was a good way to hide a TV in here is that there's actually a rollable screen within the fireplace, which comes down on electric remote control. That's from Amazon, actually. The paint is from Farrow & Ball. The wall colour is Elephant's Breath. This light fixture is 2.4 metres wide, but it was really necessary to have something statement and stand out. So it's originally based on a French lady's hat from back in the day, and it's available as smaller, but it really did need to have that large impact to make this space feel full. So here we enter the spa, situated off the hallway. The design concept behind this space was to create something super relaxing. To achieve this, I opened up the bathroom from 2 rooms to 1, and have used a combination of natural yet interesting materials, all in a similar tone. Tadlac on the walls. It's a Moroccan traditional material which is water resistant, perfect for this space. To create flow and to ensure that the space doesn't feel compact, even though it is, I cut off this corner of the platform. Really helps with just making it feel more connected, because there's 2 entrances to this bathroom. To my left is a WC. This is a 2-person sauna, and we even managed to fit in a steam room shower. The spa space leads us into the guest bedroom. I use this roller kind of barn type door, and it's from the same carpenter with a live edge on the wood to give it that natural effect. It's the same wood here actually, so I combined them together. The art is by Alexander McQueen, and it's a nice soft texture, which I feel is important for a space for guests, so it feels really welcoming and cosy. I also like to source from many small businesses. This wallpaper was illustrated by a lady in Oxford and is hand printed there. Adds a bit of drama to the room. And now I'll take you into our home gym. The concept in here was to create a gym that was more homely than a commercial gym. I played around with the wall surfaces. One was to add brick slips, the other to keep raw plaster on one of the feature walls and also on the high ceiling. I use this space for high impact training, boxing and yoga. Boxing's my favourite exercise. This has pride of place here. I also really enjoy my music and tunes, so I had to add a really cool speaker to enjoy. On the right we have a small WC with great hidden storage. These hallway cupboard doors I designed to have a lot of detail. I drew these trees and they designed it with market tree laser wooden cutting. This is our secondary kitchen. We retained this kitchen so that the flat could be self-contained. Designed in a mid-century style with beautiful walnut warm wood. And I love these original features which have been here for over 120 years. It's not the main kitchen. Come with me downstairs and I'll show it to you. Join me in the main kitchen, where we have a marble worktop for this island where the family and friends congregate as the main hub of the home. We've got this really cool hidden feature. There's a bathroom inside here. The black and white tiling leads you through left and right. On the left we have the pool and the hot tub. And through here we have a 2-shower space, because I have teenagers and their friends to enjoy after being outside. There's a small WC and a lovely real marble sink in here too. So now we're back in the main kitchen where we have 2 dining tables. One has access out directly to the garden, and this side is darker and cosier. It has Gucci wallpaper as a feature wall, which I think makes a real statement and adds an accent colour. This is a bioethanol fireplace which can be moved anywhere in the home. In addition to that, we have this beautiful curtain. We put it all the way across and it separates the spaces out and makes this side super cosy, and that's nice and light and bright. Next we enter the master bedroom. This has been designed with symmetry in mind, from entering the room through to the units being on either side of the bed. The artwork and every single piece in here is from the middle outwards. It's full of natural light, which is really good for a lower ground floor, and I frosted the windows to keep it private. It also has an ensuite bathroom full of mid-century colours, warm textures to keep it cosy, and a black floor for contrast. This floor benefits from 2 other bedrooms and 2 gorgeous bathrooms, each individually designed. The hallway brings us down to the glass room, which overlooks the huge private garden. So this is where we spend our time at the weekends, watching sports on the TV, movies with surround sound, super comfortable sofa, with a backdrop of hand-painted wallpaper, specifically designed to connect and blend from the outdoors in, because the view of the garden from here is glorious. So this is my outdoor patio, which I converted into a kind of outdoor lounge with overhead lighting and super comfortable furniture. We've had many a party here with friends and family, and even had people on the rooftop. I really was keen to have a pool and a hot tub. However, I was rejected planning permission. So I ended up craning this huge spa hot tub over the house by 50 metres. It's really added to ensure that everyone has a lot of fun outside here. The vibe's been great. Thank you for watching this tour of my home. For more information, my details are in the description. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.